Have you ever wondered how electric motors work? One key principle behind it is Fleming's Left Hand Rule, a simple trick to find the direction of force in a motor. Hold out your left hand like this, thumb, forefinger, and middle finger at right angles to each other. The forefinger shows the direction of the magnetic field, from north to south. The middle finger shows the direction of the current, from positive to negative. And the thumb? It shows the direction of motion or force. When a current flows through a conductor placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This is what makes the coil in an electric motor spin. So next time you see a fan turning or a toy car moving, remember, it's Fleming's left-hand rule in action. Simple science, powerful results.